What's up everybody, this is me Adira Pushpanathan and you're watching The Crazy Mess. Today I am back with another Nykaa haul. I have been ordering a lot of stuff from Nykaa because it's been so reasonable right now and Nykaa has a lot of good stuff. So I have ordered many things in the past 2 months and it got delivered recently. So I have quite a few things to show you guys. Most of them are for Abarna because I moved out of Bangalore, so she doesn't have a lot of makeup products and all. So she ordered few stuff for her and I got myself a little bit of stuff because it was my Peranal recently, so I got a little bit of money, got a little bit of stuff. Another important thing to tell you guys is that Bulbul app has a lot of new varieties of clothing like activewear, kurtis and hand-picked ones. So just check the Mera link in the description. I'll link it there, so do check it out. So I'll be sweating a lot in this video because I cannot turn on the fan and it's so hot in Kerala. Just an update of the weather, you know. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing I have ordered from Nykaa is this thing. So you can see, this is Nykaa's Wanderlust Jasmine Cherry Blossom Body Scrub. I ordered it when I was in Bangalore and it got delivered there, so I couldn't make a video. I told you guys. It cost nearly how much? It cost nearly 350 rupees and it's a Nykaa product. Actually, Nykaa products are really affordable and nice. I used it 2 times and I actually like it. It is quite good as a body scrub and it has, you know, a very fresh aroma to it. Like the smell is really nice, smells like literally flowers. I like it and yeah, I would rate it a 4 out of 5. I like it. The next thing I have got from Nykaa is this one, which is BioLeg Smooth Proof Avocado Deep Smoothing Serum. I actually bought it because Harida bought it in Bangalore and I really loved it. Like the serum is really nice to the hair. It is actually very nice because it smoothens your hair really nicely and it also gives out, you know, frizz-free and a very natural kind of looking hair. I really liked it. I usually use this after shower, so I really recommend this and it's very affordable. It's just 300 rupees, so I really recommend this serum. It is really good. Recommending it. 5 out of 5. Next item I have got is this beauty sponge. It is for 150 rupees and I got 2 of it because even Abarna needed it. So I have 2 of these and I used mine. This is Abarna's and it is actually nice. Like the beauty blender is not very small. It is of, you know, the size and it is actually very smooth. So I really liked it and yeah, it is quite affordable too. It is from Bare Essentials. So yeah. But as for me, I always use my hands to tap my foundation and concealer, even my eyeshadow, so I like really don't need it. But you know, out of curiosity, you will buy stuff. Okay, just spending father's money. Okay, so the next product is this brush from Nykaa. It is for Abarna. We got it for $5.99. It is $5.99 in the MRP, but I don't think we got it for $5.99. It really cost nearly some 400 and brushes really cost a lot and I really recommend people to buy brushes because even if you give a lot of money for brushes, it lasts long and it gives you a great finish when you do your makeup. So brushes are really important, girls. Just buy it. Just buy it and do not forget to clean it after few days of usage, because or else you will definitely get acne. Okay, the next product I'll be showing you is one of my recent purchase, the orange corrector from LA Girls. I must say it really works like magic. Like you can see I have evident under eyes problems. Yeah, you know, lack of sleep and binge watching K-dramas will give you this kind of problems, but this is a saver. Like if you watch my other videos, you can see they were more prominent, but I use this, and after that I use another concealer which I also bought it from Nykaa store. So these two work like magic. Really, I love this, and you have to take a little bit of it and it just gives you a great finish to your skin. I must say it's just a good purchase. I always recommend people to buy these. It is little pricey. It's nearly around 600 for a little tube like this. Orange cutters are really needed to cover your dark circles. They must purchase for whoever has dark circles, and it also covers up your blemishes and everything. So I think it is a nice purchase. I'm happy about it. LA Girls. And you will not find it in any other stores. I have checked in many stores and I never found it. I don't know if I went to a very weird store or something, but I never found it on other stores like Health and Glow or anywhere. I only found it in Nykaa, so Nykaa it is. The next product is for Abarna, which is Faces Canada Magnet Eyes Dramatic Volumizing Mascara, and I am wearing it right now. I don't know if you guys can see it properly because yeah, you can see my eyelashes. They are already a little long, and this really gives you a very long eyelashes, which probably everyone need. Yeah, you know. And this is for $3.99, which is really affordable. All the mascaras cost nearly about 500, and this is really affordable. And I must say, Faces Canada has really good products. Their products are really nice. I've been purchasing few things from Faces Canada recently, like lipsticks and mascara. It's really nice. Highly recommend Faces Canada. I'm growing love for Faces Canada these days. Even this lipstick is from Faces Canada. I'll show you guys. I bought it recently. So I got two lipsticks. One is for Abarna, one is for me. And what I am wearing now is the Sweet Mocha. Shade name is Sweet Mocha, and its number is 22. It is for $249, but I got for $180 or one plus. Like I got one of these for buy one get one. Really nice when you order stuff from Nykaa if they are having sales. And this is the shade, guys. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Like, see this. The shade is really beautiful. I really loved it because I always thought nude shades will be somewhat for my face, because I am a brown skin girl, so brown skin and brown nude shades will be awkward, but trust me, it doesn't look bad. It looks really nice. I love it. And I'm sweating. This is so irritating, it's very hot in Kerala these days. Okay, let's move on. The another shade is Red Fairy. Okay, these names are really nice. You give names to lipsticks like Red Fairy. Oh my god. And this is Red Fairy, guys. It's a pretty shade. I really liked it, but it's for Abarna, so. And it's for $2.99, so I think this one came as a +1, and that one I bought it because it was for $149 or something. So yeah, I look for offers, so I recommend you to do the same. Yeah. I went overboard with it, but I'm so sorry. The another thing I got is this Color Essence Super Extend Eyeliner. I had this before and I bought many other eyeliners after this. This is the most loved eyeliner ever. It is so dark, it is so nice. I'm wearing it right now. It is so good that I really recommend it to people because it's affordable. It costs 150 rupees and it gives you a nice finish. I bought many another brand products like Lakme, Swiss Beauty, and I already had another one also, but it all was not this good. Like, it really stays in your eyes for long and it is really dark. It just, wow. For 150 rupees, this is a must buy. I really recommend it. And now I have another product from Color Essence, which is a beauty primer, which costs nearly 600 rupees. 600, yes, I got it right. I've been buying this pre-makeup base from Color Essence from a very long time, and I'm someone who stick on to a product if I like it, because changing my products might end up in bad skin or something. So I just follow a routine where if I like a product, it suits my skin, I'll continuously buy it, and this is one of that product. This is for Abarna because I already have it. I bought it like few months ago and it really is a nice product. It stays in your skin for long. Before makeup, it gives you a very, very nice base, and yeah, it's just wow. I really like it. If you are applying foundation or any concealer before makeup, do apply it. It is something that gives you a great finish to your makeup. Yeah, and I've been using the same primer since I was in my UG, so it's been really long, like nearly 4 years with this product. Totally in love with this. And I'm so sorry, I don't want to promote my dewy makeup, but it's not dewy, actually it is because I'm really sweating. And I don't give out a very chic kind of a vlog every time. I just give out facts that if I'm sweating, I'm sweating. It's a fact. I'm going through that. That's why I'm telling you guys. And by the way, this is a birthday gift which my best friend Srishma bought it for me. I love you. I miss you so much. She also bought me another t-shirt and track pants, which I'm wearing every time I'm going out because it's so comfortable. I'm so in love with track pants these days. Okay, the final product that I have to show you guys is this. Yes, this is an eyeshadow palette from Revolution, which is the most absolute thing that I needed in my makeup pouch, because I am obsessed with eye makeup these days. I love how people are creating eyeshadow looks, and for a person like me, I have no idea in eye makeup, but I do try to do a little bit of it, but yeah, it's pretty difficult. And look at this palette, guys. Wow, you can see all the mess here. Sorry. Okay, you can see myself also. Look at this. Wow. So I'm going to do this because I don't want to show my stupid face, and I'm gonna tilt it. So genius, Adria Pushpangathan. So this has a lot of nice colors like yellow, orange, pink, violet, and it also has this glittery things, which is so good. I'm obsessed with this eyeshadow palette. It literally was for 750 rupees, and I was like, I have to get it before the sale goes off or else I'll regret it. So I got it, and it was a birthday gift actually. My chitta, actually these three are a birthday gift from my chitta, that is Haridas Amma, my Ambika Chitta. She bought, like, paid for this and all this, and yeah. So the original price is 1500 or something, but I got it for nearly 750 rupees, which is a great price, and I'm loving it. Seriously, it has great pigmentation also, and it gives you a nice finish. I am in love. If anybody wants to buy me stuff for my birthday is on May 11th. So if you want to give me gift, give me eyeshadow palettes, blushes, and makeup products. I will accept cash. I will send you my Google Pay account. I'll give you the details, bank details. You can send the money to me. I'll buy a lot of makeup products and I'll be so happy. Don't give me stupid gift. Okay, or buy me clothes. I'll be okay with that. Me just blabbering. I hope this was fun for you guys. I never bought a lot of stuff from Nykaa like this. Like, maybe this will be few for you guys, but for me this is quite a lot. Like, thousands of rupees is been spent on makeup and skincare. So I must say, yeah. And recently I got a pimple because I'm on my periods, but other than that my skin is really doing great. I've been doing some skincare every night. If you guys want to know what I've been doing, tell me. I can make a video out of it if you guys want, or else just And that is Pandu, by the way. Pandu has no space to live in my house because of the recent cleaning that happened. If you want to check that video out, you can also check it out. I'll probably link it, but unfortunately my laptop has few issues because of the charger, so I don't know if I can link it on the card, but I'll try. Okay, so that's it, guys. We are done with the Nykaa shopping haul. I come up with videos every Wednesdays and Sundays, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Do check out my Instagram. The link will be on the description. Do follow me there. I post many reels and I post pictures and weird stories, so you might be in love with me. So just follow me there. I miss you guys so much.